KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this main concept unit, and this hair is so gorgeous. So if you want the details on this fabulous unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this gorgeous long unit from Main Concept, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So this unit's name is called Sheath, and I have her in the color SR4 Honey Brown. So as you can tell, it's such a gorgeous color. It's beautiful, as you can see here. It is very nice. The color is more of a highlighted wig. Let's get into the specs before I get into my thoughts. So with this unit is around 28 to 30 inches in length. It is very long on me. It is past my waistline, so it's quite long on me. I am 5'4", so if you are taller, it may come up a little bit shorter on you. But this wig is nice and long, and of course, it is so sleek and beautiful. And the parting space here is 4 inches back. So as you can see here, I did put a little powder into the parting space, as well as add a wax stick to keep the wig laid even flatter. The wig, when it came in the box, it did lay pretty nicely, but I wanted to lay even flatter, so I did go in with my hot comb as well as my wax stick to make it even more flat, as you can see here. So it's like flat. I love that about this unit. It's just giving human hair all the way without the human hair parts, of course. And also, this is an air-to-air lace. It is a HD plucked hairline, and also you can put this in a ponytail, like a low ponytail. So you know, in terms of it going as a high ponytail, you would need a 360 lace for that. So you could do it in a low ponytail, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it just as is right here, nice and fabulous. And also, it's just a middle part unit, so you do not have any other parting choices in terms of it going to the side or anything like that. It's just at the middle, but I love middle part units, so this is not a problem for me. And also, this has 3 combs, 2 right at the parting space, 1 at the back with adjustable straps. I don't use any of the combs, but they are there for you to use if you do use them. I don't use them at all. I just use the adjustable straps and I'm ready to go. So yeah, in terms of my thoughts on this unit, I absolutely love how this wig lays down. It has no issues in terms of tangling or anything like that. Of course, eventually you may have that issue. It is a longer unit, so it is expected with longer units, but I haven't had any issues. It is quite soft, and also when I pull my hands through it, it is so easy for me to just pull it through. There's no issues, none of that. I do love this unit a lot. And they do come in a variety of different colors as well. On the stock card here, as you can tell, the model has on the one I have on right now, and she also has on this type, a burgundy type of color. So if you are interested in those sorts of colors, they are nice to try. They aren't, you know, as loud as I usually would go in terms of hair colors. They are more wearable for those who want to try color but not going too bright. They have a variety of different wearable colors, of course, and your usual 1, 1B and all of that. I can tell you right now that 1 and 1B will be the one that's going to sell out the fastest, due to the fact that the length of this and how sleek and gorgeous she is. I mean, it's a no-brainer. I do love this unit. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm feeling her. I don't want to even take it off. Like, it's so gorgeous. I do love it. So if you want any details in terms of where you can purchase this unit, I would leave all the places that I would usually shop to get my wigs, like Ebony Line or Wig Types or any of those. I would leave them down there, and you all could go through them and see which ones you would purchase from, who has it available, because again, it is a gorgeous unit. It's new, but these new wigs that are coming out these days, they tend to sell out pretty quickly, and I can tell Look how gorgeous she looks. This color, again, this color is SR4 Honey Brown. So be sure to check out those links down below that I've provided so you can go and purchase it yourself. Thank you so much, Main Concept, for reaching out to me to review this unit. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.